The Adventures of V-Man, sponsored by Dherbs.com. What's up, you guys? Welcome to the spooky edition of The Adventures of V-Man. We're going to do a little exploring around the Dherbs office where I work because apparently there's been some strange activity and my coworkers can vouch for it.
It's stuff like this. I came in upstairs today, check on some stuff because we're gonna be moving up here soon, and I found this. I don't know what to think. This thing has been popping up around the office, all around the office. Someone brought this doll in before. I don't know if it's a voodoo doll, I don't know what it is. This spirit or entity or whatever this thing is playing tricks on us. This looks like some sort of a ritual.
Come here for a second. So, all these people have been talking about this lady that they've seen. Now, I don't know about them, but as soon as they brought this thing into the office, I don't know. People have been claiming they've seen some strange things. That's all I'm gonna say. I don't know, but it's a little spooky. I don't know if it's voodoo or if it's a, spirit of some sort, but I don't trust that one bit. I come back in the Dherbs warehouse like regularly, and it's always super organized back here. But then, I come back and I see something like this. I mean, there's like a noose around these bottles. I don't know what's going on here. I mean, some people might be scared. I don't know, maybe the ghost is trying to tell us she has some dry ass skin in the past. Maybe I need to moisturize, you know what I'm saying?
So about 2 months ago, I was working late. It was like 1, 2 o'clock in the morning. So I have to make my way down here to go to the bathroom. And I look over to my left, and I had to do a double take. I see this lady with long black hair down to her toes. And I'm like, oh, snap. So I go run into the bathroom. I come back, I look, I'm like, oh, snaps, I gotta go. I'm scared. Ah!
I've heard of her, she's coming in. And people say that, they've seen her around, but that's why I brought all this stuff over here, so she can feel at home, So, she can be comfortable in here. And, I want to see her. I want to meet her. Skulls are friendly. We're all skulls in the end. So I'm trying to see her. I'm trying to see what she got.
The only thing I've experienced is when I go to the restroom and I'm walking down these aisles. I think it was this one, and I felt something move, which is why I came here. You see, just like this, it's so weird. I don't know if the guys are playing tricks on me. I don't know if it's a ghost. I don't know, but if it is a ghost, then I hope it's playful because I don't want any bad vibes here.
I usually come in at 7:45, right before everybody gets here. And I remember one Saturday morning when I was heading to the bathroom, I had to pass the shipping department and everything's dark in the morning. I literally felt like I actually saw a lady with a white dress just passing by me. Like, I don't know how to describe it, but I just felt like an air that brushed by me. What is that? Do you guys see this? What is that? What is that? Oh my God, what is that?
I've seen the ghost, but she just walks around, doesn't bother me at all. She does her thing, I do mine. I think she just feels my vibe, then I'm good. And I was always taught not to mess with ghosts, so I just let her do her thing.
They keep talking about this ghost, but honestly, I have no idea what they're talking about.
This was a ghost story episode. This was all fictionalized. We just wanted to put out some entertainment for Halloween. And again, it's all a joke. Or is it?